Your 30s are slipping away. Not stolen by a masked intruder, not lost in some dramatic heist, but quietly, almost invisibly, day after day. The real thief is one you welcome into your home every single day. Your habits, the small choices that seem harmless but add up over time. This thief doesn't take your wallet or your possessions. Your money stays right where you left it. Instead, it quietly steals your most precious resources, your time, your energy, and the future you once imagined for yourself. Meet Sarah. She's 34, has a decent job, a small apartment, and a cat she adores. On the outside, everything seems fine, but inside, she feels stuck, as if life is passing her by. Her mornings begin with endless scrolling through social media, and her evenings end with takeout and Netflix, a routine that feels comfortable but unfulfilling. The business plan she once dreamed of? Still unfinished, gathering dust. The marathon she wanted to run? Never even started, her running shoes untouched in the corner. Each day is a near-perfect copy of the last. Routine, comfort, and a quiet, persistent dissatisfaction that lingers beneath the surface. She's become a spectator in her own life, watching her best years drift by from the sidelines, wondering when things will finally change. The turning point comes unexpectedly, a friend's bookstore opening. It's a dream Sarah once had herself, now realized by someone else. Suddenly she realizes, no one is coming to save her. No one will hand her the life she wants. Her future wasn't stolen by bad luck or outside forces, but by her own choices, repeated day after day. The real thief was her habits, the small, daily decisions that quietly shaped her life. If you want your life back, you have to recognize the thief for what it is, and decide to change, even if it's uncomfortable. It's time to wake up, take back your days, and start living with intention, before another year slips quietly away. Sarah's story is all too familiar. She wakes up each morning, feeling like she's just going through the motions, wondering if this is all life has to offer. Maybe you've felt the same way, stuck, restless, and unsure how to break free. We're not trapped by circumstances, but by habits that masquerade as comfort. These routines feel safe, but they quietly build invisible walls around us, keeping us from real growth. Your 30s are the main event. Don't let these 6 chains hold you back. This is your time to shine, to take risks, and to create the life you truly want. First, living on autopilot. You move through days without intention, just existing. Life becomes a blur, and before you know it, years have passed without real change. Second, delaying dreams out of fear. Waiting for the perfect time means your dreams stay dreams. Fear of failure or judgment keeps you from even starting. Third, staying in toxic environments, jobs, friends, or relationships that drain you. You tell yourself it's easier to stay, but it only holds you back. These chains keep you stuck, anxious, and watching your dreams gather dust. They rob you of energy, hope, and the belief that things can change. Imagine taking the same route to a job you hate, never asking, is this what I want? Each day blends into the next, and your true desires fade into the background. Or waiting for a sign to chase your passion, only to watch the years slip by. Regret builds, and you wonder what could have been if you'd just taken that first step. Or letting others' negativity smother your ambition. Their doubts and criticism become your own, making you question your worth and your goals. These habits sabotage your growth. They keep you from becoming the person you're meant to be, holding you back from the life you deserve. Recognize them. Break them. The first step to freedom is seeing the chains for what they are, and daring to let them go. Autopilot feels safe, but it's the enemy of growth. When you stop choosing, you stop growing. Did you choose your routine, or did it choose you? Ask yourself, am I making a choice, or just following a script? That question is your wake-up call. Now, fear. It disguises itself as logic, convincing you to stay put. Delaying your dreams isn't practical. It's fear winning. Every someday is another bar in your self-made prison. The only real failure is not trying. Your 30s are for taking risks and betting on yourself. Don't let fear make your life's decisions. Break free by acting, not waiting. Choose growth over comfort. The fourth chain, comparison. Social media makes it worse. You see highlight reels and feel behind, but you're comparing your real life to someone else's best moments. This kills joy and motivation, shifting your focus from your path to theirs. Your only competition is who you were yesterday. The fifth chain, ignoring your health. In your 30s, neglect catches up. Burnout, anxiety, exhaustion. Your body and mind are your foundation. Without care, everything else crumbles. Skipping exercise, ignoring mental health, running on empty. These are acts of self-sabotage. You can't build a great life if you're always tired and foggy. Prioritize your health. It's not selfish, it's essential. Water your own grass. Invest in your well-being. That's how you grow. The final chain, failing to plan for the future. When you don't have a plan, you end up drifting through life, letting days and years slip by without direction. Drifting means wasted years, missed opportunities, and dreams that never get a chance to grow. You need a destination, even if it's just the next step. It doesn't have to be a grand vision, just a point on the map that gives you purpose and momentum. Be the captain of your life. Take the wheel and steer yourself toward the future you want, not the one you simply stumble into. Decide where you want to go. Your 30s aren't over. They're a launching pad for everything still to come. You're at a turning point. Every choice you make now can open new doors and possibilities. The choices you make today shape your next decade. Even the smallest decision can create ripples that change your entire story. Break the chains. Turn off autopilot. Face your fears. Leave toxic situations. Stop comparing. Prioritize health and make a plan. Every action, no matter how small, is a step toward freedom. Your age is not a deadline. It's just where you are. Time is a tool, not a trap. The power to rewrite your story is in your hands. You can begin again, no matter what's come before. Start with one small choice, one action that signals a new beginning. A walk, a healthy meal, a moment of reflection, or a call to someone who inspires you. A single step toward your dream. Every journey starts with that first move forward. Stop waiting, start acting. The only thing holding you back is the story you tell yourself. Your future self is counting on you. Imagine the pride you'll feel when you look back and see how far you've come. Your story can still be a masterpiece. There's so much more to write, so many chapters left to fill. Pick up the pen. Do it now. The next chapter is yours to create.